I'm Lucy and welcome to Beauty Leaks, your favorite source of beauty news. In today's episode, Smokey Glow and Midas, Maybelline Mickey Mouse, Fenty Beauty, Pat McGrath Labs, Jeffree Star, Pixi, Beauty Bay, Etude House and Hershey's. Beauty YouTuber Smokey Glow launched mini collection in collaboration with Midas. It contains set of 3 lip glosses in 3 different finishes for $25. Side note, in future restock, lip glosses will be also available as singles. Highlighter duo for $21 with nude gold and more pinky shade. And the star of the collection, 18-pan eyeshadow palette for $36. Mostly pinks and purples with a little bit of nudes and reds. You can also get a PR box with all the products for $75. And you can also use Smokey Glow discount code for 20% off. We'll leave link to Smokey Glow review video so she can walk you through all the products, and while you're there, just subscribe. She has such a refreshing view on beauty community. I really enjoy her videos. Although we already celebrated Lunar New Year, there are a few brands that are a little bit late to the party but still wanna cash in on it. And one of those brands is Maybelline. They just launched Mickey Mouse Electric Palette Collection. Mouse for Year of the Rat, well, it kind of makes sense, but it's still not the same. But anyway, in the collection you can find Maybelline Disney Color Sensational Lipsticks, 4 different shades, Ultra Fluffy Eyebrow Pencil, Lashionista Endless Length Obsession Mascara, Power Cover Cushion Foundation, and Disney City Mini Eyeshadow Palette. I must say, I do like the neon take on Mickey and I wouldn't mind testing those products, but the collection is exclusive to Asian market. Well, and here I was thinking that Mickey Mouse is quite universal. Also, Beauty Blender just checked the calendar and decided to release Lunar New Year product. And you guessed this, it's a red Beauty Blender sponge with a gold nest. I mean, groundbreaking, right? I feel like recently in every episode we are talking about Fenty Beauty, and as much as I love the brand, I pray to all the makeup gods it's not gonna be another color pop with weekly releases. But here we are again. This time Fenty released 3 new lip glosses. 2 of them, Sweet Mouth and Hot Chocolate, were available as minis in holiday collection, but now they are coming back as a full-size product and they are bringing friend new glass slipper clear lip gloss. And for Valentine's there will be Mademoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick Trio for $39 with Spanked Dusty Rose, Madame Royal Red, Candy Venom Electric Pink. And finally, the product I'm very curious about, Makeup Refreshing Spray for $30. You can use it before makeup to prep your skin or after doing your makeup to revitalize and refresh your skin. Jerry, can we put this on order, please? Thank you. In previous video, I told you that Pat McGrath might launch 2 new brushes and a concealer. And now it's official. Well, almost. On Pat website, you can already see Skin Fetish Sublime Shine Brush Duo for $64. Brushes are designed for highlighting, contouring and sculpting the face. They are cruelty-free, vegan and have FSC certified wood handles. Will our sources also be correct about all the new Jeffree Star products that's gonna launch this year? I'm sure they will. The whole list of new releases is in our previous episode and link's gonna be in the description box down below. But for now we know that at the end of January, Jeffree Star will launch 3 mystery boxes and redeem himself after last mystery boxes fiasco. All the mystery boxes will have exclusive item. In Premium and Deluxe there will be 3 exclusive products, and in Supreme there will be 5 exclusive items. If you were ever thinking about getting mystery box, I think this is the right time. I would order one myself, but the shipping to UK is almost as expensive as the box. Jeffree will also launch new merch and Jeffree Star approved mirrors. One of the trends in skincare will be vitamin C, and it should be because it's a great antioxidant and is extremely beneficial for brightening the skin and in anti-aging. Pixi knows it and they just launched Pixi C Vit collection that contains under eye brightener, $16. This perfector blurs and energizes under eye skin to give you an instant awakening effect. Brightening perfector for $18, and it's a complexion enhancer that blurs and perfects skin to give it a dewy radiant finish. Priming oil for $28, and this is a 3-phase oil that nourishes, energizes and balances the skin to prep and prime for a radiant glow. Glowy powder for $18. It's a silky vitamin C infused radiant powder that adds a touch of glow and brightness to the complexion. This mineral powder contains antioxidants to help energize while creating a natural luminous finish. And finally, lip brightener for $10, and it's a lip balm that smooths with a hint of tint and shine. Okay, I really want this, especially the three-phase oil. Jerry, pretty please? Speaking of skincare, Beauty Bay will soon launch their own line of skincare, and it's said to be simple, effective and affordable. For example, Super Jelly Cleansing Gel for £6.50, Skin Fixer Clay Mask for £7.50, Skin Fix Clay Mask for £7.50, Skin Heat Brightening Serum with Vitamin C and Peptides for £6.50, and Dot a Spot Blemish Patches to eliminate already present pimples and whiteheads. The full list of ingredients is still not available, but if it's as good as Beauty Bay claims, I want to try it. Etude House, the brand that brought us Kit Kat palettes, now is treating us with some more sweets with Hershey's collection. It contains 2 chocolate-inspired palettes, 2 lip tints and 2 brushes, and this is so sweet on so many levels. That's all the beauty news for today. See you next Sunday.